Morning. Guess what my mom's watching?
No! No! Gotcha! No! That's so mean.
What? What happened,
Right
huh?
here I look like a chunky little inch. Stop it.
What does that mean? What does that mean?
And I don't know what.
Alright, we're at the Ringling Bridge, ready to go for our run. What? Looks like there's a paddleboarding camp going on. I hate walking up the stairs after I've already run. I'm so tired. Who wants a crunchy? Want a crunchy? Oh, you want me to throw it? This is her crunchy eating mat. She eats her crunchies in here and she eats her bread in the basket. Look at the delicious sandwiches I'm watching. Look at that. Professional. Should be a sandwich maker.
Not forever, yeah, soon it's gonna fall.
How come you can't do any of those tricks? Huh? She always sticks her tongue out when you scratch her butt. Good girl. Sad news. Sophie Logan's going to college.
I'm going to college!
Or good news, just sad for me. Oh yeah, look, check these out.
Shark tail.
Shark tail.
Guess what size they are? Ask me.
What size are
They're
they?
up in 011.
Two children's, right?
Children's size.
Look at all.
I have fish
She's
that are up in
packing.
010
She's
too.
leaving. So sad.
And these are my friends.
Look at this. Oh, hi, friends.
What up, Doc?
What up?
Logan.
Look at these walls.
Yes, never mind. Hannah. They're not. I'm not taking them with me.
Oh, those are cute.
Whoa.
Someone else is.
No. No. Get out of here, woman. No, you can't have them.
I'm not having it. I'm just
I'm
looking.
taking it with me.
Tourist Sophie, ladies and gentlemen.
Back in those northern states where I hail from, it's so dry. So dry. Do you have, maybe like a shirt that says Siesta #1? Beach Bazaar, maybe?
In the room right there, black bag.
Show us your present.
Mom,
Britney Spears.
That from you, Logan. What a good friend.
you know what they had? They had leggings with her face on them. That just sounds crazy. Crazy. She used different adjectives.
What are you doing?
Phenomenal. What?
What are you doing?
We gotta get money for the car wash. Sophie, don't! Are you kidding? I'm gonna drink out of that.
I love you. Bye.
Bye. Guess what, guys? Next week, or on Sunday, Hannah's family is going to Portland to take Sophie to school, and I get to babysit baby Milton for a whole week. Right? We're gonna have so much fun.
Oh. That's foul.
Hannah and I kind of neglected the pool the past couple weeks. It turned green. Ew. It's like a cauldron.
Like, of course, when I didn't want that to happen, it happened. So now it won't do it.
You just flooded your backyard. It's like a river over here. I just stepped in it. Hey, Allie. That's fun. I was just, oh shoot, sorry, I almost dropped the phone. I was just calling because I was looking at a calendar and I was wondering for the bridal shower if you'd be free the first Sunday in October, which I think is the 2nd. Okay.
Okay, wait.
Oh yeah, I think. Wait.
What is the
Okay,
rainbow?
so it has soap in it too. So yeah, you want to put that.
Oh, it's pink! Look, it's pink! Ooh.
So that's conditioner. So it's like.
It's gonna change the. Oh, wow!
Oh, there we go.
What color is gonna go to next? Green. Oh yeah, you're probably right. No, yellow it got.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe orange. Purple.
Oh, it looks like it would be delicious if you ate it.
Yeah, it smells like delicious too.
Let's lick it.
What does that conditioner do? Here, now, open your mouth.
Oh, that'd be cool, right?
Check out how blue it is.
Green. Wow, look at that. It reminds me of the stuff they eat in Hook.
Me too. I said it last time. Okay, Yuki. What now?
Ugh. It's dripping out. FYI, Brett is not a chef and he's not a caterer, and there's no real reason for him to be wearing this outfit.
It's soapy. Rinse it.
Rinse the whole thing.
Rinse the whole thing off.
You need to see the amount of sand that is in Hannah's car. This car just pulled up in the gas station and it's the same exact car I had in high school. I can't film because he's looking at me. Hi. 1979 Cadillac Eldorado. Not even kidding, look where we are again. I am not even joking, I just caught you again. You just kind of drifted. We didn't even come here for frames, you just like drifted over here.
Down sale.
That is precious. Let's see it. Very cute. Baby Milton. Just picked up some food for dinner tonight at the Gallagher's house. Gallagher Logan dinner, pizza, and a salad. It's actually our goodbye dinner because Sophie's going to college and Corey's going to college. Hannah's going to college. Roxy. Psst. Psst. You are so cute. I can't even handle it sometimes. Look at you. Hi, Roxy. Sit. Sit. Yeah! Pray. Puppy Milton.
Huh?
Grown up, Milton. Hi, babe. You're so cute.
What are you filming? Oh my God, this girl. We'll have two of them.
Let us overload.
Okay, we need grants.
Pizza.
It is.
Oh, we got some with it. What's that? Free bread?
Sorry.
Oh, I hate that smell.
What the hell are you doing, Harley?
Holly. Oh.
For a glass.
Okay. He's like a
Wait, do you have
chocolate.
a longer one?
What?
Do you have a longer one?
No.
You only have one?
Is that
Is it like tennis or something?
No. I gotta tell you, I was fighting like this. I'm like going like this. I'm fighting.
Check it
I'm
out.
doing everything I can. Like,
Show Corey that's it.
I don't want to see it. I don't want to see it. It's too.
It's a video of Jay playing with a Wii. Which game was it?
Fencing.
Fencing. Wii fencing.
Is that here?
Roxy, what you got on?
Cape Canaveral.
Awesome.
Huh?
It looks like you're so far up. And they're like,
Do it.
he said, you see those quilts? $21 for you? $21.
Laura.
Wow.
Roxy. What you got on? What did you do?
What's your best? You want to go to the